Adam, you want to do some tricks? Mommy's got your treats. Can you sit? Okay, you are sitting. Yeah, dance. Okay, speak. 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 Good boy. Good boy. You want to dance? Get down. Come here. Let's dance. Can you dance? Can you say it? Can you sit pretty? Oh, you're dancing. Sit. Good boy. What does Mama have? What do I have? You want your toy? Okay, let's get your toy. You're a good boy. Can you show off with your toy? What do you got? Okay, toy went under the table, so I'm going to end this and get that toy for him. Hope everyone is having a good day, and hopefully you enjoyed this new Adam video, upgraded into the new 4K video. Say bye, Adam.